Overview of research process. Research process, it embodies a series of action that is systematic and organized into steps. And the main purpose is to provide direction for the research. It gives proper direction to do research. And it involves first identifying, then locating, assessing, analyzing, and then developing and expressing ideas. So there are two types of research process: qualitative research process and quantitative. Qualitative research process is nothing but we will see the quality, and quantitative is numbers. And qualitative research involves collecting and analyzing non-numerical data, example test, video or audio, to understand concepts, public opinion or experiences. It can be used to gather in-depth insights into a problem or generate new ideas for research. So if you are doing a qualitative study on the people, how far they have affected due to the COVID virus, so we can go to particular community and directly we can ask the opinion and the concepts and whatever the experience, the people, those who are hospitalized people. So we can collect the information from them, those who have the proper experience. We will give the detailed data about the issues. That is the qualitative research problem. So by collecting the thing, we will be getting new ideas for the research. First, what we have to do, identify research problem area, where exactly the problem area. Second step, we should formulate broad study objective. Second, we have to formulate a study objective. Third, a relevant review of literature we should collect. Then fourth step, actual entry in research setting. And fifth, select research approach or design. That is a vital part of the research methodology. What approach, quantitative, qualitative approach and design. It's experimental, non-experimental, what descriptive, exploratory. So whatever the design you have planned, you have to select it and select a small sample. And qualitative, we will not depend on the number of sample, only we need the quality. So we will select only a small sample. Then 7, establishing ethical consideration. Any ethical issues, anything, we should get clearance certificate from the authority of the particular area. Then 8th one, plan tools for data collection. Whether you are planned to conduct interview or questionnaire, so whatever it may be, we have to plan the tool for data collection. Then actual data collection. Then data, whatever we have collected so far, we have to organize in a systematic manner for analysis. Then 11th, then analysis and interpretation of data. And 12th, we will disseminate, we will publish, disseminate the research findings. So these are the 12 steps of the qualitative design. Coming to the quantitative research process. Quantitative, already I said, it's nothing but numbers. It's a strategy which involves the collection of numerical data, a deductive view of the relationship between theory and research. Coming to the steps, here also first what we have to do, formulate a research problem. Second, determining study objective. And in qualitative data, our study objective should be broad. Here we will determine the study objective, then collect relevant review of literature. Fourth, developing conceptual framework. We will be adapting on conceptual framework. Through that we will be applying our research. Formulating hypothesis, assumptions. Hypothesis nothing but your predictions, the hypothesis, two types of hypothesis, research hypothesis and null hypothesis. Any one of the hypothesis we can adapt for the study. Assumptions means your prediction. So it may affect, it may occur or may not occur. So that is your prediction. And selecting research approach or design. And we should specify the population, which population, whether you are going to collect your information from diabetes patients, COVID affected patient or hypertensive patient, or the people those who are depressed or old age home, any like that. You have to specify the population. Then 8th step, develop developing tools for data collection. Then ninth, establishing ethical consideration. Then conduct pilot study, try out for tool. A small sample you have to take, and whatever the tool you have planned to do the main study, the same tool you are supposed to use and do your pilot study in order to find out the feasibility of the study. Then sample selection. The next, data collection, preparing data for analysis and interpretation of data, disseminating the research findings. These are the 5 steps of the quantitative research. Thank you.